Hey there, everyday cuties. I'm Taylor from We Craft Social. So you want to tell somebody how you feel about them this Valentine's Day. Well, don't get them a generic card, make it yourself. I'm going to show you how to make a matching card and gift bag set this Valentine's Day in 2 different ways. Now we're not trying to make it look like we bought these from the store. If you can customize it, even better, because handmade gifts from the heart are the best. Be sure to check out our other video where we do another DIY card and gift bag set. And we also have Valentine's Day crafts and treats up on our channel. My name is Taylor from We Craft Social. Thanks for stopping by and happy Valentine's Day.